Howdy folks. This afternoon we're looking at the perennial pollinator plot spot. Just absolutely loaded with bumblebees. And weeds and flowers and all sorts of everything else. Let me see if I can find a bumblebee up close for you. There's one somewhere. Right there's one. Yeah, giant bumblebees. The phone app identifier deal says they're Nevada bumblebees. So, yeah. Anyhow, this goes over to there. Not a very big piece. 1/10 of an acre or so. But then right behind it is a whole field full of rye and red clover, so yeah. 10-4. See ya.